Welcome back, Bears. I'm Daniel, reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Monday, October 30th, and hope you like the change of weather this morning. This weekend, our Bears football team only allowed the Holmes Huskies one touchdown in a 69-7 rout at Gus Stadium. Donovan Lard led with 3 touchdowns as Jason Love and Makai Thompson each scored twice. Brandon Wells, Aiden Martin, and Jalen Gardner also added touchdowns of their own. Great win in this afternoon game. And if you were at the game, you got to see the halftime show featuring dance, drill, and cheer performing with teachers. And tomorrow is Spirit Day for our playoff-bound Lady Bears Volleyball team. So here's a huge shout out for them. Tomorrow they face Laredo United at 7 p.m. in Corpus Christi. BFND ladies, you got this. Now for ACDAC news. DT specialist Colleen Guzman is looking for students who want to compete for scholarships while enhancing their knowledge and becoming well-rounded students. Put your knowledge to the test and become a member of the academic Decathlon team. See Ms. Guzman in A212 for more information, or email her at colleen.guzman@nasc.net. Seniors, want $2,000 towards your college tuition? HEB will award 15 high school senior students who participate in the UIL competitions with a $2,000 scholarship. So apply for the HEB Community Leader Scholarship Program by going to sportsinaction.com/scholarship. Hope you made it out to hear our fantastic guitar and orchestra musicians in their fall concert last week in the auditorium. What a great group of talented musicians. Play on. Now for more learning. Health science students continue to build bonds, trust, and confidence in their classroom with their teacher, Darcy Deer, as they work on their CPR skills and look to certify. Finally, last week our SE students go the jump on Halloween as they trick-or-treated early in a Halloween parade. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nasc.net. I'm Daniel, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears, and let's keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in our learning and continue to evolve every day. And remember to display your IDs.
This is a BTV production.